right, Bubba, you're heading right for that boat. Oh!
Ricky's favorite fish.
It's my favorite fish.
Pliers.
Hot air. Benji. Favorite fish, a catfish. Here, give him the pliers, Bubba.
Pliers.
He's gonna need those for sure.
Pliers. Catfish, mangrove snapper, and a flounder.
Yeah. How do you like it? Don't go off that end, you're gonna go into the deep end.
We couldn't go too deep either because of the water line. We were 5 feet and we were already hitting
The water was coming up?
And high tide, it was coming up.
Oh, so you just put this in recently?
Yeah, November.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Awesome.
Yeah, put it in November. Erin goes, you got to use the hot tubs. She's pregnant all the time. She got pregnant right before.
Oh man, that stinks. Well, I mean, you can get in there and make it a cold tub.
Yeah.
Throw some ice in there. Cool it off.
We do need to get some. That's our next investment. I think get a little ice maker.
Yeah, this is nice, man. I like your setup here.
Yeah.
This one you said Wyoming?
Wyoming, I believe. Yeah,
That's
that
cool.
was Wyoming. The other one was this one on the far end is Montana.
This one on is Montana?
Yeah, Montana, yep. And the black buck I got in Florida at a ranch. And that was New York.
This was in Florida?
No, that was New York.
Oh, okay.
The black buck. They're like Asian, but they have them like in high fence areas.
Oh, okay, so...
He needed to get rid of some because they were overtaking the deer population on his little...
Cool.
He has them as pets pretty much, but he doesn't like...
And they're African?
Asian, I believe.
Asian? Cool.
Yeah.
Sweet. Dude, you have an awesome man cave here.
Yeah, I love it. Thanks, so.
Hey, that's not a real stingray. It doesn't have that.
Yeah, it does. Pull it all the way up so we can see the stinger, but not keep it away from our face.
So the stinger is in the tail.
Right there in the tail,
In the
about
middle of the
halfway.
tail.
You see it?
Pull forward and straighten it out, Kevin. Come on, man. What are you doing? You're all up in the bushes. There you go. Come hold the boat. I'll back the trailer up for you. Oh my God.
All right, Benji, get down low. Spray underneath. There you go. Yep. Good job. Good job. All right, spray those bunks. Up higher. Yep. Good job. Mangrove snapper was, I would say that's right up there with the flounder as far as best catch goes. Because either one of those two would have been delicious. That way, Bubba. We're leaving Mama at the boat ramp.
Bye-bye.
She dropped us off so we don't have to pay for parking.
Okay,
Right, Bubba?
let me go forwards. How do I go forwards?
So you gotta turn the handle like this. No, that's the wrong way. You gotta